How to write a winning resume, tips, tricks, and real examples. Jasmine's career blueprint, from application to success. Are you sending out resumes and getting no responses? Let's change that. I'm Jasminevelasco, and today, I'll show you how to write a resume that stands out, even in competitive job markets. We'll cover essential sections, common mistakes to avoid, and look at real resume examples for today's most searched job titles. Step-by-step guide, as displayed on screen. Please feel free to hit the pause button. Resume, basics contact information. Your name, professional email, phone number, LinkedIn profile. No personal details like your full address. Professional summary. This is your elevator pitch. Keep it short, focus on your unique skills, and tailor it to the job description. Example: results-driven marketing professional with 5+ years of experience in developing successful campaigns and increasing brand visibility by 40%. Skills section. Highlight hard and soft skills relevant to the role. Example for a software developer: Python, JavaScript, SQL, Agile development, problem-solving, communication. Example for a marketing specialist: SEO, content strategy, Google Analytics, creativity, collaboration. Experience section. Use bullet points to list accomplishments, not just duties. Example: increased sales by 20% through the implementation of a new customer outreach strategy. Education section. Include your degree, school, and graduation date. If it's recent, list relevant coursework or GPA. Optional sections, certifications, volunteer work, or languages, if relevant. Common resume mistakes. Typos and grammatical errors. Overloading with irrelevant details. Using vague phrases like responsible for, instead of action words like improved, developed, achieved. Real resume samples. Here are 3 resume samples based on the top job title searches. Download these resume samples for free using the link in the description. Make sure to subscribe for more career tips with me, Jasminevelasco, your guide to landing your dream job.